Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield for WyckoffSMI Week in Review for October 29th, 2023. We've been bearish last week on stocks on all of our indices. Here's the Wyckoff wave. You can see technometer still 41.67. We did turn away from what was support, turned into resistance. It looks a little bit lower here short term, and you'll see some of our indices are saying buy. So we look for some type of bounce here starting this coming week. On the intraday chart, everything's moving in lockstep. So it looks like, again, continued a little bit lower on the Wyckoff wave. The Wyckoff wave new index, we did get oversold Wednesday. And you can see here we're still down at those oversold levels. So here, again, we think probably a low is being made. And we can try to rally back to that 1370 level again next week and see how we rally here. On the Wyckoff Wave Growth Index, it's trying to hold up after being an underperformer. Technometer 42.15. Again, I think this market's going to make a short-term low here. SPY, we talked about the big red volume coming in last Thursday, Friday. We was looking for lower. Thursday, we did finally get an oversold reading. We did come off of that. That's why the dot here is a little bit lower. Intraday Thursday, we were oversold. So again, we think the SPY is making a low here. Let's see what type of bounce we get. If we don't get a bounce here, then stocks are going to be in trouble looking out for the coming months. TLT, we talked about needing some type of capitulation possibly before a low is made. Technometer 53.67. That is overbought. So TLT could still try to work a little bit lower before we find a good bottom. And that is not good for interest rates. Wyckoff Wave Metals Index, we're talking about this was a major low formed. We was looking for a place to try to put on longs. We did get that Monday morning with an oversold reading. We was oversold also Thursday. So again, we think a low was made. We think this is a test, and we think the metals are headed higher. Same type of thing in the GDX. We was wanting an oversold technometer. We got that Thursday's close. So again, lows made. We're testing a low above the support level at 28. Let's look for the GDX to continue higher. UUP looks like a triangle formation up here, so maybe we could see a little bit higher. Technometer is oversold. So let's look for the dollar maybe to go a little bit higher before we try to pick a top. And Bitcoin, we was looking for a good long setup. Did not get it. Looks like the Wyckoff wave backup was complete on low volume. We are in a markup phase. Technometer was overbought, and we're sitting here at 44. So we're going to try to get a buy signal here and jump on what we think is going to be continued higher prices for Bitcoin. Same on Ethereum. We did have a sell there on Monday's big rally. We're back to neutral. So if this thing comes back to oversold, we'll be giving a buy on Ethereum as well. Good luck trading this week.